Hi cryptocurrency queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode, I will show you why I have these two levels on Ethereum where we could potentially see the market giving us two bullish reversals. If the market fails to give us higher lows around these levels, then of course we can see more of a bearish momentum. But if the bullish scenarios is playing out, we're looking at 1,330, even up to 1,480. I will also show you exactly what levels that I see on BTC. Don't forget, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you everything that I see right now on BTC and on Ethereum, and I wish everyone is having a great weekend. Okay, so we're looking at Bitcoin right now on the daily chart, and I already have the setups on it, and this is something that we're gonna continue to have during the week, of course, depending on how the market's gonna behave. But at the moment, I am still very bullish when it comes to it, even if we see on the lower time frames. But this can only be for a potential retest of the Fibonacci levels before we see a potential continuation to higher targets. So this week, one of the things that we're definitely gonna do is that we are still gonna have all of the tools on the chart and just follow what the market is doing. At the moment, the overall target that we're looking at right now, if we do have a valid retest of the Fibonacci levels down here at 16,000 and 1600, the overall movements, if we're looking at the charts right now, is that we can reach Fibonacci level at 17,700, which is also one of the take profits that we do have. We have take profit 2 exactly combined with the 50% at 18,400, and we have the 61.8% exactly combined with take profit 3 around 19,200. So this is the overall movements that I see on BTC, because the market was creating the lower low on the weekly chart. This is why we see the market consolidating and give us so many fake outs. It's because the market is creating a support, and from a support, what do we know is happening? The market is bouncing from the support to a potential Fibonacci or a previous resistance support zone, and we have it. If we zoom out, you can see that we did break below the support at 18,700, 800, which can be where we see the market giving us a breakout, a retest of the support turning into a new resistance. And with that, we have the Fibonacci levels and we have the take profit based on this Fibonacci. And with the Fibonacci that I do have most of the times, this actually is valid. So that's why this week we're gonna be 100% strict with all of the technical tools that we already have on the charts. And at the moment, you can see that the market did what was consolidating, created the first low, created the second higher low, market broke above the level and created the first higher high at 17,140. And this is the reason why we can potentially now see the market drop down to 16,685 or potentially 16,530. And if we go down to the lower time frames, this is the pullback that we're looking at right now, because we have to understand what time frame do we look at, what is the trend on that time frame. And right now we can see that we do have a pullback. Okay, so we had the first higher high at 17,150. Market gave us fake out. We have the second retest of this previous low. Okay, the market gave us the lower high at 17,190. Is this where we could potentially see the market pull back up and retest the trend line? Most definitely it can happen for the market then to potentially have a drop to the Fibonacci levels. This does not have to happen, because we just might also see the market only have the power from nowhere and break above the previous lower high level that we have at 17,090. If we're breaking above it, that just might be where we see the market giving us the bullish momentum before earlier than what we did expect, because of course everything is probabilities, but we do have some levels right now that is very important for us to look at. So a potential drop to the last lower high level could potentially create a new higher low, and overall I still see the market have the momentum up to higher time frames Fibonacci levels combined with the previous support, only to give us a retest and then potential have the next impulsive move for the drop, okay? Because right now what we're looking at is a lower low. Market could potentially give us a lower high, the same way that you've seen the market create the lower highs from nowhere. We've just seen the market have some crazy momentum for then only to see the drop. So if we're following market structure, this is most likely what could potentially happen right now on BTC. We have the same scenario when it comes to Ethereum, but we do have two Fibonacci levels. We have one Fibonacci level between 1255 and 1243. If we can also see the market drop to 1232 or potentially 1215. So we got two levels when it comes to Ethereum. This is a Fibonacci based on this lower low and lower high, sorry. So everything depends on from where you take the Fibonacci. And I like to have two levels, because if the market drops below one, then I can see where the market could potentially come to next. And of course, if the bearish momentum is continuing from here and we're breaking below the previous resistance once again at 1215, well, that is the bearish scenario. And with that, we're just changing our mindset, because if the Fibonacci level is not getting respected, it's not getting respected, and we're just changing our mindset with that, because everything is probabilities, and we still have to be very open that the market can just change from nowhere. But overall, when it comes to Ethereum, we just might see the market give us a retest, high low, and the three different levels that I have is, first of all, key level at 1330. We also have this Fibonacci level that we have around 1400, and we also have the key level at 1480. That is also combined with a previous support. And when we're looking at 1330, that is where we did have the sideways market before, but most likely we'll see the market give us one leg before we see the market to drop, because at the moment what we're looking at is a uptrend. So everything right here is a uptrend. Market was going sideways, market had one dump before the market gave us the first high low at 1180, which also is one key level, and right now the market creates a high. So we're using these levels to see if this is the next higher low for the market to create the next higher high, and then see the market reverse. Market can obviously also continue even more to some higher targets, but that is not something that I want to focus on right now. First of all, we need to focus on what's exactly happening right here, because whatever happens around 1930 doesn't mean anything to me if we haven't surpassed the other levels before, because this is where you'll see how the market is giving you market structure combined with all of the other, the key levels, Fibonacci levels, etc. This is my two levels that I'm looking at right now to see if we have the bullish momentum or not. Don't forget to subscribe to our other social medias. We have one of them is Twitter, which we give daily updates for you guys when it comes to technical analysis, etc. This is also where you can receive a bonus on BYBIT up to $30,030 by using the link in the description down below my video. You have it also pinned in the corner, but you can also find it if you're going into the Twitter account. And you have right now 0 fees when it comes to spot pairs. If you go into the BYBIT site, they also give out other bonuses. You have one here if you are downloading the app for $5, and you can also, if you're trading right now, have $11 extra on your account. So this is one of the good things when it comes to BYBIT, is that they're actually very generous when it comes to bonuses. This is a leverage trading platform, so make sure that you always understand how leverage trading does work with your account, so you never risk more what your account can handle. If you are from America, you need one VPN, but overall this is a great platform for anyone that is looking for a good cryptocurrency platforms to trade on. Thank you so much for looking at this video together with me. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I'm live next time, or when I do have my daily updates. We see each other later. Hope everyone is having a great weekend, because I have. Okay, toodles.